So what's beautiful is that a heart-healthy diet actually at its core is extremely healthy for our skin, is extremely healthy to promote optimal inflammation or healthy inflammation response in the body. It's important with any disease to remember that all the different parts of the body are interrelated, right? So somebody might have psoriasis and say, gosh, why do I need to follow a heart-healthy diet? And at the core, it's because we need all of our insides to be healthy so that we don't have certain symptoms, and in this case, the symptoms of psoriasis. So what's beautiful is that a heart-healthy diet actually at its core is extremely healthy for our skin, is extremely healthy to promote optimal inflammation or healthy inflammation response in the body. So a heart-healthy diet is actually full of a lot of great nutrients that can be helpful for psoriasis. For example, a heart-healthy diet includes our essential fatty acids, the higher amount of our omega-3s. That's going to also help to reduce inflammation in the body. Also, we want to make sure that we're getting those potent minerals, our potassium and our magnesium. And we also want to make sure that we're not having too much sodium. That's the heart-healthy part, but did you know that's actually great for the psoriasis part too, because it helps to make sure that our body is extremely well hydrated and also that our inflammatory response is happening in a healthy way.